Hi, my name's Mel and I'm a consultant here at MOBIX. Welcome to the 10 Fundamentals of Zoho Campaigns. The video tutorials that follow should be enough to allow you to use the power of email marketing to reach your customers. If you're interested in also learning about the more advanced features, please don't hesitate to contact us. These will be covered briefly in the closing video for information, but you'll also find them by poking around in your account. Most of the functionality is fairly intuitive once you know where to find it, and Zoho's drag and drop interface makes complex processes easy when you understand the terminology. That's where I come in, so let's get started. Over the next 10 videos, we will discover the basic concepts of Zoho campaigns and leave you with enough knowledge to set up and segment lists from data within and outside of your CRM. We'll show you how to authenticate your domain, create sign-up forms, campaigns, and templates using the drag and drop interface. Then we'll move on to how to send and share campaigns via email and social media. And finally, we'll take a look at the basic reports you will need to monitor and make sense of your audience's behavior.